So inshallah, without further delay, we have our brother Muhammad Ali here with us. We'll have him continue with his series of lectures. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to allow us all to benefit from his talk. Allahumma ameen. Then inshallah, briefly we'll be stopping for adhan, and then we'll be continuing bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Jazakumullah khairan.
لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين ولا عدوان إلا على الظالمين وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. So the first thing I would like to ask is, who was here yesterday? Yeah, raise your hand if you're here yesterday. Mashallah, mashallah. Okay, nearly more than half. Okay, alhamdulillah, that's good enough. Okay, so now you put yourself in a bad situation because you're going to be quizzed now. Yeah, keep your hand down. Yeah, okay. Khair, inshallah. So just going to do a quick recap, inshallah. We spoke about very brief things. Yeah, we spoke about where do we get what are sources of revelation, right? The sources of revelation, the sources of the deen of the Sharia, which is the Quran, the Hadith, the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, the Ijma', the consensus, and we said also qiyas, which is valid qiyas based on the Quran and the Sunnah. Then we spoke about believing in Allah. We said what is Aqeedah. We explained what Aqeedah means, which is the 6 articles of faith, to believe in Allah, His books, His messengers, etc. Then we started with the first one, which is to believe in Allah. And then we said believing in Allah entails how many things? 4, mashallah. You remember, great. Okay, so believing in Allah Azza wa Jalla entails 4 things. And who can tell us the 4 things? Or at least 2 of them and 2, okay, Okay, but it was not Asma Allah al-Husna, it was something closer, al-Asma wa al-Sifat. Because if you believe in the Asma, you don't believe in the Sifat, you're a Mu'tazili. And that is a big problem there, to put it simply. So you have to believe in the Asma and Sifat, both of them, right? So we said believing in Allah's existence first, and then we said the evidences for Allah's existence are 4 evidences. We said experience, we said sound intellect, aql basically, and we said fitrah, and we said the shara. And then we said the last 3 things other than believing in Allah's existence is to believe in Allah's lordship, rububiyyah. He's the khaliq, He's the creator, He's the malik, He's the mudabbir. And we also said to believe, meaning that all the actions or the attributes or the actions of Allah Azza wa Jalla we attribute to Him, and we single Him out in these actions. Only Allah is the one who gives lives and takes lives away, right? This is what rububiyyah means. He's the one who's the ultimate king, owner of everything. And we said the second thing is our action. We single out our actions, the actions of worship that we do, right? Which Allah of the ulama would refer to as uluhiyyah. The actions of worship that we do, we single it out to Allah Azza wa Jal alone. And then we said the last thing was the Asma and Sifat. And we didn't have enough time, and I'm sure today we're not going to have enough time as well, so you don't look forward for a lot, because these sessions, you need to understand, if you want to go in detail, and you want to explain everything in detail, and properly, and not even in detail, you want to give like a good amount of explanation, it takes time. That's what we said last time. Do not expect that you will come, take like 3 classes or 3 sessions, and then it's going to be it. That is it. That is not going to happen. So it requires time, it requires effort. So we're going to explain or simplify as much as we can. We'll see where we're going to stop, inshallah. I believe they would like to call the adhan, so we'll call the adhan and then we'll start, inshallah. Barakallah. Okay, so